unboxing Party Pop Teenies. I have scissors just in case, and it's colorful around here. I really like it. It's Party Pop Teenies Surprise Popper. Series 1. I haven't really seen the Series 2 yet. And on the back you can see a picture of 3 Party Pop Teenies. It contains 1 doll, accessories included, confetti, poster, and 1 instruction sheet. And I can't wait to open this. So they are 3 and above. Be sure to subscribe because if you do subscribe, you're going to see all of my videos and they inspire you to be a creative kid. I really love the colors here. Do you agree? Let's open it. So it says you have to peel here. Let's try to peel. We just have to peel the plastic off. And okay, we got some of the plastic. Oops, I kind of bumped the camera. And then we just peel off the wrapping. Here it's like silver-ish, but you can still see the picture. And here are the instructions. How to. Wait, let's find. Do not remove. So first, you have to peel the paper off. And then you just twist, and out comes the Party Pop Teenie. And then you can peel that off. And then step 5, you can take your girl off. And that's the same, but you have to twist it just like you twist the cylinder. It's like really cylinder. Okay, what am I even saying? I'm sorry, guys. So I'm just going to peel off the paper here. Exactly like this. And then you can see the surprise has came out. You could twist it. I am going to twist it like this. Wow, that was such a big surprise. That scared me. Did it scare you? Here is our Party Pop Teenie. She has an interesting hair look and an orange dress. I'm going to take off this part here, and you can also twist the doll off. And she stands on this green, something green. So now we can find the collector's guide, and I have 2 of these Party Pop Teenies now. So first let's check out this doll. Looks like we have Sophie, but she also has a green headband. We just have not opened that yet. And she's from the Cute Animal Surprise. You can see her up close. And I have Ava, also from the Cutie Animal Surprise. Whoa. It doesn't have a good balance whenever it stands. Now we can open the surprise blind bag. actually just, it's like easy to cut. Really easy. So it looks like, guys, it looks like we have crackers on her plate. You can pretend that she's holding them. And we all know what her headband looks like if you see it closely. It's a fox. Now, we can just put her headband on her head. Easy as that. And then you could see there's like a spring in there. That's how it popped. I think there's like a huge mess on my floor. Let's see some of these confettis. So it's like a bunny shape, that's cute. And then another fox shape. We have a string, another bunny, and a kitty or fox, and a heart. And we have this picture, it's like a dog. We also have another gold heart. And then this is folded up, this piece is folded up, which is a kitty or fox. This Party Pop Teeny has an interesting look. And you can put her back on. And you can like push her out like this, like a Jack-in-a-Box. That is so fun. Now we can, like, it doesn't do anything if you just twist it up. Now, so the party is actually over, but you still have to eat the snack. So we can just use this as a table. I'm trying to peel off the sticker. I wish it didn't have a sticker. You can carefully do it. And guys, but a different video up here, right at the corner, will be part 1, Moj surprises. But I am not going to show you what comes out of it if you haven't watched this video yet. Now we can just still try to peel off the sticker to make a cute little table. So you can just carefully peel this off. Oh, it looks like there was like still plastic on. But yeah, you can turn it into a table so that they can eat her crackers. Or they could be cookies. I don't know what they are. If you know, comment down below what it is. And now we can end this video. But first let's do a hashtag. If you have the same exact Party Pop Teeny doll, then comment down below hashtag Party Pop Teenies. And it's the end of the video, so let's just tidy up so that the end can be really, really clean. I'm just going to decorate the table like this. You guys can glue it on if you would like. Let's just push this out to the side. And the confetti over here. And we can throw away some of our trash. Let's do that. And let's put the collector's guide here. But first you guys have to take a look There's Cutie Animal Surprise, Rainbow Unicorn Surprise, and there's also Winter Wonderland Surprise. They're all so cute. And even if I had a duplicate, I would not be sad. So, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Be sure to tap on my circle and comment #PartyPopTeenies also on all the other videos.